What are these, Grandpa?
That was my prison toy box.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. Sergeant Poe.
I didn't even have a toy box like that when I was a kid.
Yeah, that's because I made it.
What's
The
it made
brass
out of?
hinges made out of paper.
What? That looks like metal.
Yeah, I know it does.
How are they brass with their paper?
Because the cops thought they were brass, they tried to put me in the hole for it.
Oh, wow. I guess that's a story for another time.
Yeah, that's a good one. But anyway.
Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Probably broke one.
Nope, they don't break.
That's
That's the cool thing about this stuff. It fell on the floor. Didn't break. It's because it's paper and Elmer's glue and acrylic paint.
Yeah, we're trying to get sponsored by Elmer's Glue, so if you know someone, hook us up. That and Pepsi.
Anyway, yeah, they're so they're just
riding
dead fun to make.
Tool to hit something with.
Look at this one.
Yep, that's Darth Vader's Super Star Destroyer.
Look at all those pieces of
executive.
paper.
What?
Look at all those individual pieces of paper.
Oh yeah, I cut them all.
No.
That's crazy.
Yeah, there was a lot of little pieces of paper cut to make those.
Jeez.
Yeah.
Some small ones over here.
What?
Look at the paint jobs on these.
Yeah, my buddy Kiba. He's the one that painted them. Painted them with a needle.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and so now I'm painting with a needle because I don't have him anymore.
Mm-hmm.
And so, yeah.
So you got all those tiny little stripes on there. So.
Oh, yeah.
Little,
yeah. And that
little
actually
crack
says
right there.
Bob's Transport on the side of these. And anybody that can read basic. Yep.
That's crazy.
And the stands are cool too.
Yeah.
They almost look 3D printed, but they're not.
No, they're not. They're just this one's rubber coated. But anyway, yeah.
That's so cool. Comment what your favorite one is.
My favorite
wanna
one?
know.
Oh, my box.
No, I'm talking about the people, Grandpa.
What people?
People watching the video.
I love them.
I know. I was asking them to comment what their favorite one was.
Oh, well, yeah, that'd be cool.